Hello friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss commercial paper. Friends, companies or institutions, they can borrow money by using different type of instruments, and one of those instruments is a commercial paper. What is nature of the commercial paper? Commercial paper is unsecured money market instrument, and this is issued in the form of a use-as promissory note, and only those entities can issue commercial paper which are eligible according to Reserve Bank of India guidelines. Let us see who is eligible to issue. There are two categories of eligible persons, eligible entities. First category is the companies including non-bank finance companies and all India financial institutions. Other category is the cooperative societies, government entities, trust, limited liability partnerships, those who are having existence in India, and they must have minimum net worth of rupees 100 crore. This minimum net worth condition is applicable in case of this second group only and not on the first group. Who can make investment in the commercial paper issued, say, by a company? Friends, all residents and non-residents, they can make investment in commercial paper. In addition to that, the regulated financial sector entities like banks, like insurance companies, so they can also make investment in a commercial paper. Let us see this is a specimen of a commercial paper. Here in this, Reliable Technologies Limited, they are the issuing company. And here State Bank is one of the investors in commercial paper. And SBI Capital Markets, they are issuing and paying agent. So on behalf of issuer, they issue the commercial paper and make payment on maturity of the commercial paper. And as I said here, it is in the form of a use-as promissory note. Use-as because it has a maturity time after date of issue. Promissory note because here we have a promise. So commercial paper basically is a promissory note and a promissory note of use-as nature. Now these are the conditions which these issuers must fulfill before they can issue a commercial paper. Let us see these conditions. First condition, their sanctioned credit facilities may be fund-based, may be non-fund based. So their loans must be in standard category. The loans should not be NPA. That is first condition. Second condition, if amount in a calendar year is rupees 1000 crore or more, then they require rating from 2 SEBI approved credit rating agencies, and that rating should be at least A3. And for the purpose of commercial paper, the lower rating with the lower amount, that shall be accepted. So these are basic conditions which these companies or these cooperative societies or institution, they have to fulfill if they want to issue commercial paper to borrow money on a short-term basis. What is amount of individual commercial paper? Individual commercial paper, the minimum amount can be rupees 5 lakh. Beyond 5 lakh, it can be issued, but it can be issued in multiple of rupees 5 lakh. There is no upper limit on issue. If amount is beyond 5 lakh, then it has to be in the multiple of 5 lakh. What is the time period? Since it is a money market instrument of short-term nature, hence the minimum period for which it can be issued is 7 days and maximum period for which it can be issued is 1 year. So here in this case we see it is around 4 months. What are other features of commercial paper? commercial paper is issued at a discount to face value. What does it mean? This is face value of the commercial paper, of this particular commercial paper, 100 crore. SBI will get 100 crore on maturity, but at present, at the time of investment, SBI need not pay 100 crore. SBI will pay the discounted value of this at a given rate of interest. So that is called issued at a discount to face value. And then the commercial paper cannot be got underwritten. The risk of commercial paper has to be borne by this company, the issuer. No one else will own that risk. Means it cannot be underwritten. Similarly, in a commercial paper, no provision is there for a call option or for a put option. But companies who are issuing this, the issuers, they have a buyback right. So issuer can buy back the commercial paper at current market price. It is possible once a commercial paper is issued, its market price may be different from its face value. If buyback is to be done by the issuer, then buyback can be done at current market price, and that too only after 30 days from date of issue. Another important feature, the credit enhancement. Credit enhancement means making investment in the commercial paper more attractive by support of someone else. So for credit enhancement purpose, banks or financial institution, they can provide credit enhancement. Now secondary market. Commercial paper can be sold and purchased in the secondary market. And this sale purchase will be on OTC basis. Over the counter. Over the counter means between two parties, not through the exchange. And once OTC trade takes place, it has to be reported within 15 minutes to FTAC system of Clearing Corporation of India Limited. As regards settlement of payment, the settlement will on OTC, it will be on the same day, or at the most it could be on next day. T0 means the same day, T+1 means on a next working day. Once investment is made by the investor, the commercial paper should be credited to account of the investor maximum within a period of 7 days. As regards reporting, so once the commercial paper is issued, there are two types of reports the company has to make. One is the company will inform the financing bank, the bank which has provided these credit facilities, that they have this level of the marketing borrowing. Another reporting will be in the form of certificate from Chief Financial Officer of the issuing company. And this certificate will be given to issuing and paying agent within 15 days from close of the quarter when the funds have been used for the intended purpose. And the last point, if there is a default in payment of commercial paper on due date. So there is a due date of the commercial paper. If the issuer defaults in payment, then what will happen? Friends, if there is a default, then that particular issuer cannot issue further commercial paper for a period of 6 months, and this 6 months period will be counted from date of default of payment. So when payment of default amount is made, after that for up to 6 months no fresh commercial paper can be issued. Well friends, I am sure the contents of this video will benefit you, and thank you for watching the video.